Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So the spike up that we have talked about was done 2 sessions ago, and market has hit finally our XOP target 1942. So our suggestion was that market actually could reach even a bit higher levels, so around 94 even, just because we have intraday pattern. This butterfly, which has a bit more extended target, and theoretically it was possible that market could, based on the momentum that it has right now, to continue move higher and hit this target. But currently, it stands on this scenario stands under question. So anyway, mostly, as we said even last week, that market mostly has hit our long-term target with this area, with this moment when market hits 90 even around daily level, but we said mostly upward direction is done. So currently we are turning to second stage of our long-term trading plan. If even market will start to form here some coiling, maybe it will turn up again and will coil around 94 area. This area around 90 even is the point where, at least theoretically, based on the technical analysis, market has significant chances to start meaningful retracement on the daily weekly chart. What does it mean? It means that in this area we should get some clear bearish reversal pattern. Actually, existence of the butterfly here, it's already the pattern that suggests a reversal. But as a rule, when the market starts to show significant retracement on the weekly, usually something greater is forming, and one of the possible patterns that could be formed is a kind of the hand shoulders or something of that sort. So that could become the shoulder, head. This market will show the deep retracement first, then the pullback based on the strong momentum, and only after that we could get some deep retracement. But by our suggestion, this retracement should be more than just 30%. So usually it's 50, maybe even 618 pullback here. So if we will add 50, 30%, well, take a look what we have actually. That's the levels. So 30% is then 68, and that approximately the neckline of the possible hand shoulders that could be. If I would suggest a kind of the A, B, C top D pattern, it means that we should get pullback somewhere to the 60 even area. So that's the approximately currently. So since we don't have yet patterns on the chart, but approximately that will be retracement somewhere to the 60 even, maybe slightly higher. So that's the retracement that we should keep an eye on. And if you trade on the daily on the higher time frames, that's not the point currently. Search chance to go long. So market also yesterday has formed here, as you can see, reversal session. So it creates the new top, and this top was precisely due the existence of the untouched targets. But the stop market hits the 9042 target finally and collapsed. And you can see it closed below the lows of the previous session, and not only previous, but in Gauss mostly 3 sessions. So reversal sessions usually have the continuation, and it means that chances on the downward continuation here stands a bit greater. So our suggestion is that currently it's not time to go long. Only if you trade on the intraday charts, maybe you could find some setups for taking the scalp long position, but mostly on the daily, this is time for waiting of the appropriate level for taking the long position. So we need to wait for retracement. Scalp traders also could think about maybe some bearish positions because currently exists the background for that. So that's what we see on the daily. On the intraday charts, you could see what really has happened. That was our suggestion. The market should show another spike up. It has happened, and it's collapsed. Definitely bearish reversal swing. Market currently has dropped right to the confidence support that we have discussed previously, and that's the reason why the market stops right here. Here we expect some minor pullback, if we will get the kind of the catalyst cheaper to sell or something, that will be another moment where you could think about taking scalp short position, because we could get kind of the ABCD patient lower. So that's the period where market will start to build some background for a deeper downside action. So that's what we see right now on the Bitcoin market. So as a bottom line, this is not time for taking the short position. If you would like to buy Bitcoin, you need to sit on the hands and wait when the market will hit the level that we have specified. So it should be somewhere around 61, 64 area. If you trade on intraday charts, well, you could keep an eye on the possible different patterns. So maybe it will be here. It could be bearish pattern. If you'll drop time frame even more to the 15-minute chart, you could find even maybe some background for taking scalp long position here. So that is too short-term time frame to cover it in our daily video. But mostly we think that this is the moment in an area where market will start to build the background for downward reversal.